This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Italian manufacturer Roller Team. This 284TL Select I'm going to show you now, but I started off at this side for a reason. The reason being that I couldn't be bothered to walk around the other side. But anyway, now I'm going to do that and we shall have a look at this. This is a Kronos, and in previous videos, in previous years, I can show it as the Kronos 7, based on that logo. And then one day I realized it wasn't called a Kronos 7, but a Kronos. So I was wondering whether Kronos 6, 5 and 4, 3 and 2 had gone, but it turns out there was never any of them around. And it's 745 centimeters long. Weight basis is from 3.5 tons, 3,072 payload, 62,000 euros. So is this van the same as all the other Roller Teams, or is it any different? Well, the weight is the same as all the others. I don't know how they managed to do that. All more or less the same as all the others. German layout at the back. Oh, somebody's going to say, what a mess in here. Alright, so I can expect me to go on tidying things up before I do a video. Well, I can tell you what the choice is this. I can either do 2 videos, or I can spend time tidying up and then just do one. I think it should be tidy when I walk in, but this is the end of the day. I don't expect the Roller Team to tidy up for me either. Right, anyway, so you've got a huge wardrobe there, which you can't see because nobody bothered to put a light in it. Let's see what the score is here. And yeah, it's a largish one there without a light, and you can even take the floor out. And well, you wouldn't see, so there's no point in me showing you. And in fact I wouldn't be showing you anyway. There's some more storage. What you could do, if all the team's listening to this, then put some lights in the wardrobe so it would be easy to see. One of the problems is when you're competing on price, then you have to make small cuts in what you offer, and if you're competing on service, then you don't. As things stand at present, there's no reason whatsoever to compete on price. Should really be competing on quality. Although, in my opinion, now manufacturers should be trying to knock out as much as they can, rather than bringing out new models. I understand that Ford didn't bring out any new models for 2022. It just stuck with its current range. That's what I understand. So a mate of mine told me, so I don't know if that's true or it's not true. Right, I've noticed this in other vehicles. Okay, where you've got this step here. Now, if there's a step up because it's on the wheel, yeah, that's fair enough, that's normal. But if it's a step up because it's a step up for no reason, no, I don't understand that at all. There might be a reason for it, don't know. But I mean, I do like to sit in the shower and get my feet clean, for example, after being out on the bike. Now I don't have a step, so I have to sit on the toilet and clean my feet. Anyway, it works just as well. Right, so here we've got 3 burners. I'm assuming it's 3 burners. I mean, I've never been in this van in my life. And there is a large sink. Here we have that and that. Bit of storage there for spices or something, I presume. And up here, plenty of storage there. Right, now I suppose you're going to want to see the bed coming down. So let's see what we can do about the bed coming down. Now the bed will actually drop down a little bit further, but I'd have to remove that cushion there. But all the same, it's to give you an idea. And what's good about giving you this idea is you can see part of this idea in action, which is that net. And that net is to stop you falling out. You thought it was to go fishing with, but you're wrong. It's to stop you falling out of bed at night. And you can see there's another hook up there, so another one would go up there, and there's a third hook up there. Are there any hooks up here? Yes, there are. There's one there. There's one in the roof. And there's one to my right. So there's no shortage of hooks here. There you can see what from this you've got your heating. You see what's happening on the electricals, and I noticed the lights are on in here, and there's S1 problem. Oh, and we're on hookup as well. So that's what's happening. Here we've got a big fat fridge. Well, I'll tell you what, before I open the fridge, I might just put this up, put this back. So you see it going up. I'll take the thing back as far as I can. Right. Oops, wrong one. Actually, on the subject of the nets, I think that was a good idea. If you'd left the nets up all the time, then so when I don't know if that's a good idea, isn't it? If you left net up all the time, then as the bed came down, you wouldn't have to put it up. Yeah, maybe it's not. Doesn't make much sense, that idea. Sorry, take that back. There's the fridge, and there's a bit down below too for your drinks. And the point of this, somebody said this to me today. I never thought of this. If you keep your drinks in the drinks container in a vehicle, then it stops the things like cola and other fizzy drinks from actually sort of, you know, the explosion you get when you twist the thing off stops them all getting excited. Anyway, good. Whilst I was in here, I can't remember if I showed you that. Did I show you that you can close the door off like that? I did? Okay, right. There's another look at the toilet, just in case you need it. If you need the toilet, say so now, because I'm leaving the van. Large table with rounded edges. Very nice. I've been meaning to do my own van for the last 4 years, round the edges, and I still haven't got round to it. But I suppose I'll get round to it one day. Got an automatic gearbox. You got space storage up there. You've got this wonderful panoramic window. You can see yourself as you're leaving. You've got, that's for your toilet cassette. Well, I didn't show you this, did I? Or did I? No, I don't think I did. I walked past it on the way here. Anyway, so you've got a really big garage. It's only got 150 kilos of payload, but you can't have everything, I suppose. Is there anything there I didn't tell you about? Yes, fresh water and wastewater, 100 and 120. You've got more wastewater than you've got fresh water. Here's a place for keeping, maybe that's keeping your rubbish, but I wouldn't keep my rubbish in somewhere like that. I'd put it in a plastic bag. And here we go, have a look at the van before I clear off. So thanks very much for watching. That is the Roller Team Select 284 TL in its 2022 guise. So all the best from Dusseldorf.